Hey guys, this is Patrick Mitchell, Director of Sales here at Jupiter Research. We're coming up on 2020 Chinese New Year, and when you make custom products at Jupiter Research, those products get made overseas in China, and early in the year there's always Chinese New Year holiday. And during that holiday, the factories in China shut down for a certain period of time, and it's about 2 weeks, but they also take a while to shut down and a while to start back up, meaning that there's a big gap in production. So when this happens, we try to help you prep ahead of time by setting some deadlines so that you don't run out of product over the Chinese New Year holiday. This year, Chinese New Year is a little bit earlier. It's at the end of January. And what that means is, in order to get your product before the Chinese New Year holiday, you have to set your orders into production by November 1st. And that date's really important. You want to have your orders and your deposits, your custom sampling, everything done by November 1st in order to guarantee that you get product before Chinese New Year. The last shipment from China to the US is going to be around January 16th. And so that's the last shipment that will come to the US. And then you won't actually see product leave the factory again until around March, into February and into March. So when you're placing your orders for November 1st, you want to make sure that you plan all the way through late February and into March to make sure that you have enough product to carry you through. If you have any questions about this, reach out to either your account executive here at Jupiter, or you can reach out to us directly on the website or right here on our Instagram channel. Thank you guys for watching.